9 months, 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. No viral luck, just systems, strategy, and a lot of hard truths. In this video, I'll walk you through everything that actually worked. The stats, the tools, my workflow, and the mindset that kept me going. And stick around to the end because I'll share the single piece of advice that helped me hit 1,000 subscribers faster than I ever expected. I hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube in just 9 months and 2 days. The average, according to Google, for new creators is 15.5 months. So during that time, I uploaded 61 long-form videos to YouTube, roughly 1 or 2 every week. I also posted over 686 short-form videos across YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. My long-form videos averaged about 400 views each, and my shorts often pulled in 1,000, sometimes tens of thousands. On average, I was gaining about 100 new subscribers a month. The gear that makes my channel possible. People think you need fancy cameras to grow. You don't, but gear that works for your workflow matters. Here's my main setup. A GoPro Hero 13, iPhone Pro 16 Max for 4K footage that I'm filming with now. I use a Rode Wireless Go wireless microphone for clean audio. My lights, I'll show you. I have one big key light with the softbox, 4 smaller RGB lights for fill, rim, and background lights. And I actually take those RGB lights with me when I travel. And then there's the power gear. So I have 12 spare GoPro batteries, 7 SD cards for memory, external hard drive, my MacBook Pro laptop to get the SD cards into the external hard drive. Power banks, I have like 4 of these power banks. I use a GoPro 3-way selfie stick handle. I have like a mini handle as well. Also have like a sun visor handle for filming shots while I'm driving. And then a necklace mount that I film for like point of view shots. My must-have subscriptions, the tools that power my channel. Now, gear is nothing without software. Here's what powers my workflow. Epidemic Sound for music that doesn't sound like a stock commercial and that you won't get hit with copyright infringements. Opus Clips for cutting long-form videos into shareable short-form videos. Squarespace, my website and blog hub. Riverside FM for interviews that I can record for my travel talk sessions. I use Buzzsprout to host my podcast episodes, and those will get spread through all the podcast outlets like Apple, Spotify. So I use vidIQ, which has a lot of features for YouTubers, from research to keyword research is what I use it a lot for. And of course, an unreasonable number of Google Docs and Drive folders, the real backbone of any creator's life. How I use AI to run my channel. Artificial intelligence has been a game changer for me, especially while balancing a full-time job. Here's my system. After uploading a video privately to YouTube, I grab the transcript and drop it into ChatGPT. That's how I generate descriptions, hashtags, and short-form titles in minutes. I use ChatGPT, Grok, and Gemini to brainstorm thumbnails, SEO phrases, and even improve scripts like this one. AI saves me hours every week, and time is the one thing creators never have enough of. How I run my channel, from long-form videos to viral shorts. My strategy is simple: long-form first, short-form second. I aim for 2 long-form videos a week, but even 1 solid video can work. From every long-form video, I cut 10 to 20-second clips from those into short-form videos for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels. But all my energy goes into making the long-form videos great, because good long-form automatically feeds good short-form. Making original short-form videos from scratch, for me, was very time-consuming and not even really worth it. Even with an editor, they would take days. So instead, I repurpose each long-form video, and it becomes a full ecosystem of YouTube content. So instead, I repurpose. Every long-form video becomes an ecosystem of content. So for every long-form YouTube video I create, I get 5 to 10 short-form videos from that long-form. I make a blog post with Google Map links and travel tips for SEO on my website, my blog. And I have a segment in my travel newsletter that I email out to everyone who signs up for the map links and tips for free. I even offer free one-on-one travel consulting sessions. Right now they're free while I grow the channel, but eventually they'll become paid travel consulting sessions. And these video sessions or just calls can also be new video content. So it's a loop of travel consulting, and storytelling. Why I hired an editor: saving time, stress, and sanity. I hired a full-time editor early on, and it's the best decision I made. Here's the truth. I don't love editing. It's tedious, time-consuming, and it made me want to quit. Plus, I'm not great at it. My editor is faster and better. And since I still work a full-time job, my time is limited. So for example, if I value my hours at work at, making up a number, $30 an hour, why would I spend 5 hours editing a video when I can pay someone $10 an hour to do it better? So they'll even do it quicker too. Having a full-time editor lets me stay consistent, hitting my goal of 1 or 2 long-form videos a week. But here's a myth. Hiring an editor doesn't mean you stop working. You still have to organize footage, record voiceovers, label assets, and give creative direction. Editing is teamwork, not outsourcing your entire channel. I found an editor with online jobs, and it's in the Philippines, and I went through a vigorous interview process and had a test edit and went through over a dozen really qualified candidates, found one editor, and have been using the same one since the beginning of my channel. How much do I pay my editor? I have an editor full-time, about 40 hours a week, for $1,000 a month. It's a lot of money, but it gives me the full attention so that way I can have revisions, we can have a constant communication, and I'm not going project by project or wondering if they're balancing 50 other projects at once and not hearing back. So for me, having someone full-time, because I knew consistency was gonna be the key to success on YouTube. So I wanted to have one consistent editor and not have you do short-term projects with. And also I wanted the workflow to go seamless. I don't want to have to train 5 different editors each few months because I'm only doing project by project or video by video. If I could start over, 6 hard lessons I learned on YouTube. The algorithm is random. Sometimes your best videos flop and your throwaway ones go viral. It's unpredictable, don't take it personally. Each platform behaves very differently. A short form video that hits 100,000 views on TikTok may only get 1,000 views on YouTube Shorts, and vice versa. Don't chase one formula. Don't let low views kill your motivation. You never know which upload will be the one that blows up. Short form sweet spot, 10 to 15 seconds. My highest performing short form videos were clips that were short, punchy, and all under 15 seconds. Never fails. Long form video length does not matter. I've had 2-hour videos perform great and 5-minute videos flop. It's about topic, not runtime. Negativity gets clicks, unfortunately. Scam, worst, overrated, all those titles perform better. That's just human psychology. Use it wisely. Proving my idols wrong, my motivational moments. 2 big moments fueled my drive. Before I even started my YouTube channel, I spoke with 2 of my favorite YouTube travelers that I admire. The first was Adventures of Matt and Nat. They told me, never assume you're the exception to the rule.
But from the realist side, I always tell creators, whatever space you're in, never assume you're the exception to the rule. So if you find research and it says, okay, it's going to take 36 uploads or whatever it is before you're going to get monetized. I don't know what the numbers are now. You have to figure that out. But whatever that number is, just expect to fall in that rule rather than thinking, oh yeah, but that's for other people. I'm better than that.
But see, that's me. I'm like, we can do that better.
That line stuck with me. So I made it my mission to be the exception. The average creator takes 15 months to get monetized. I did it in 9. Then I talked to Island Hopper TV. He told me, you can't be a travel vlogger unless you live abroad and travel full time.
Alex says, do you think it's possible to be a travel vlogger without being full-time, like spending the summer months traveling and getting enough footage to space out the videos over a year? Sure, you could do that. But really, I would say a travel vlogger probably should be traveling. That's because, and I say that because what do I respect in a travel vlogger when I'm meeting or when I'm watching, because I watch travel videos all the time.
Challenge accepted. I live in the US, work a full-time job, and I still built a travel channel that's growing each week. Those conversations didn't discourage me, they lit the fire. And I absolutely love those YouTube vloggers still. My 3 biggest struggles on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Patience, watching the slow growth is brutal, especially when you're putting in your heart into every video. Finances, gear, software, and editing, those costs hit way before ad revenue ever does. Fear of judgment, filming in public, telling friends you're a YouTuber, that took more confidence than any gear purchase. Top 2 pieces of advice that got me to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. First, short form drives long form. Every time a short form video blew up, views on my full long form video jumped too. Shorts are your marketing. Long form is your foundation. Second, act like a big channel before you are one. Have the confidence of a creator with 1 million subscribers. People can feel it on camera. Early on, I was shy filming in public, but confidence changed that. And my footage got so much better. So funny story that made it easier for me. So I actually look a lot like a famous YouTube traveler named Drew Binsky, who has over 6 million subscribers. And people started recognizing me as him. So they would even, think I was him and treat me like him. So I just leaned into it. Acting confident made me become confident. And that energy shows through every frame. Those are the hard truths behind my first 1,000 subscribers. Now I want to hear from you. What's been your biggest struggle growing a channel? Drop it in the comments. I love hearing stories and debating what really works. Subscribe for more creator insights and check out my vlog series if you want to see where this all started. As always, travel far.